morning, everyone. Today we are highly delighted to organize virtual science exhibition on the occasion of birth anniversary of former President and scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We will have our tradition auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Our home planet, Earth, has more events occurring on it than we can imagine. These events involve the living organism, inanimate structures, things which we can see, those which we can't. Events that amaze us, like the very formation of our Earth, is massive event. These events bring with it a large number of questions that arise out of curiosity to explain or understand the world we live in, the world around us. If we ever wonder what's going on, how these events take place, the answer of all these questions lies in one word: science. Now, what is science? Science is the knowledge we get when we ask questions. It is the study of physical and natural world through observation and experiments. Now the next role comes of scientists who are curious and want to know the answers. Scientists change the world through their contribution and discoveries. I am Lavanya, student of class 12. As we all know that today is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. So on this special day, I would like to present his journey in front of you. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His birth anniversary is observed as World Students' Day. He is counted among the greatest scientists of 21st century. Even more, he became the 11th President of India and served his country. Dr. Kalam, as a scientist and engineer, was involved in many important projects of Defense Research and Development Organization and Space Research Organization. During the work in ISRO, he played a major role in development of India's first indigenous satellite vehicle, SLV-3, and with the help of it, in July 1980, the Rohini satellite is successfully established in Earth's orbit. The government of India had honored him with Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna and many other prizes. So let's start our virtual science exhibition.
Good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Kavya Jain and I am from class 6B. I participated in the model making competition organized by ISRO. I made model on GSLV Mk3 satellite with the help of my parents. GSLV Mk3 was a spacecraft which was chosen to launch Chandrayaan-2. It was 3-stage heavy lift launch vehicle developed by ISRO. My model was selected in this competition. Today I prepared this solar system model for competition in my school. My sister helped me a lot for this. This is my solar system model. There we can see that there are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are also called the family of the Sun. All the planets rotate around the Sun. The Mercury is the nearest to the Sun. The Earth is the third number in our solar system. Our Earth completes its one rotation in the 365 days. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is the ring around itself and the Neptune is the farthest from the Sun. Thank you.
I study in 6th A.
My name is Dhruvi Vyas and I study in 7th A.
It is a science project. It is generally located in a village and it is used for water purpose, and water must be used in irrigation, household activities, etc. It is work like this.
It saves our time also and makes our work easy. Like we know that it is difficult to pull a bucket full of water from a well, but with the help of pulley bucket full of water can be pulled out of the well easily.
Pulley is a simple machine is which a rope is tied on a center of it.
And in the first end, there is one thing in which of the wheel which is in the center part not passes out from it. And in the second end, there is a handle-like structure which helps us to pull a bucket full of water from a well.
It's called a pulley. Thank you.
My name is Tanushree Jangir. I read in class 6A. Today I make the science project of the topic of air, water and land pollution. Pollution is the process of making land, air, water or other part of the environment dirty and not safe or suitable to use. Like this factory is leaving smoke from the chimneys and polluting the air and add liquid chemical to the pond. One woman fills a pot from that pond and bath her cattle in the same water and make the water dirty. This man is throwing garbage from the trolley on the land and making the land pollution. Thank you.
To all. My name is Rashi Pancharia. I study in class 6D. Today, I would like to show you how to separate a mixture of insoluble solid in a liquid. Insoluble solid particles which are coarse and heavy when allowed to stand settle down at the bottom. The process is called sedimentation. The particles which settle down are called sediment and the liquid layer above it is called superman liquid. The clear liquid layer can be poured out. Process of separation of the clear liquid layer without distributing the satellited solid or the sediment is called decantation. Liquid can be separated by the process of decantation. Now this liquid is allowed to pass through a filter with fine pores. Which allow only the liquid to pass through it. This process is known as filtration.
My name is Janak Patel and I study in class 6. Today I will make a water dispenser and I explain how it works. देख सकते हैं इधर से पानी गिर रहा है और मैं जैसे ही इसकी कैप को बंद करूंगा पानी भी गिरना बंद हो जाएगा। देखिए Okay, thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Himanshu Kaushik and today on this occasion of virtual science exhibition I have prepared a model of a mall with working light system and an elevator. Here are some LED bulbs which I have fitted in the mall and here is a lift which will go up and down now.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hardik Kaushik. Today on this occasion of virtual science exhibition, I have made a lightning house with cable cars. So this is my lightning house with two LEDs and this is my cable car for passengers to go up on the hill and enjoy the sunset point. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anil Chaudhary. I study in class 7th A. Today I have made a electric bell. It works on a principle of magnetic effect of current. ये बेल बनाने के लिए मैंने इसमें यूज़ किया है एक बैटरी, मोटर, आयरन नेल और ये बेल। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ये ओपन सर्किट है। मैंने अभी तक इस वायर को इससे ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, और जैसे मैं इस वायर को इससे ज्वाइन करूंगा ये स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। इसका मतलब करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, और जैसे मैं इस वायर को हटा दूंगा इट विल स्टॉप। इसका मतलब अब करंट फ्लो होना बंद हो गया है।
My name is Dhanraj Chaudhary. I am studying in class 7th. Today I make science project how to flow current in a graphite. I make this project the switch will on, the light will glow. The switch will off, the light will not glow. In graphite, free electrons are flow, and we switch on the battery. Battery generate a free electric force. When the switch is on, the light will glow. The circuit is complete. The switch will off, the light will not glowing. The circuit is incomplete. I need make products to make this circuit. One LED, one switch, one connector, wires, one battery, 2 pencils.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Mansoor Arora. My name is Arshit Bharti. We are going to present hand sanitizer machine. As we know that COVID-19 is a infectious disease caused by most recently discovered of being coronavirus. We can reduce our chances of being infected or spreading coronavirus by taking simple precautions like we should regularly and thoroughly clean our hands with alcohol-based hand sanitizer. It kills viruses that may be on our hands. That is why we have made electric hand sanitizer machine.
Good morning everyone. My name is Palak Jangir and I am studying in class 8C. This is excretory system. The excretory system is the system of an organism's body that performs the function of excretion, the bodily process of discharging wastes. Excretory system regulates the chemical composition of body fluids by removing metabolic wastes and retaining the proper amount of water, salts and nutrients. In humans, this includes the removal of liquid nitrogenous waste in the form of urine. This consists the kidney system, sweat glands, the liver, lungs, etc. This is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra.
Good morning everyone, respected teacher and my dear friend. My name is Mang Tomar. I am a student of class 8. I have made working model of lungs to demonstrate the mechanism of breathing. When we pull down the rubber sheet, the balloon inflates. It shows the process of inhalation. During the process, diaphragm move downwards and chest cavity move outwards. When we release the rubber sheet, balloon deflate. It shows the process of exhalation. In this process, ribs move inwards and diaphragm moves upwards. It shows the process of exhalation. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Sonal Rana. I am a student of class 8B. For the science exhibition, I have made a projector. A projector is an optical device that projects an image onto a projection screen. Projector creates an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens. This is a torch. This is a transparent sheet. This is a magnifying glass. Now I'm going to show you it's working. Thank you.
I am the student of class 8C. Today I have made project on topic reflection of light. I will show you the rays of reflection of light with the help of comb or mirror. Now what is reflection of light? The phenomenon of reflection of light rays after colliding with a mirror or any other object back into the same medium is called reflection of light. The reflection of light has two rays. One is incident ray and second is reflected ray. A ray that comes from torch and strike the plane mirror is called incident ray, and the ray of light that comes back after striking the mirror is called reflected ray. The materials that I have used are one plane mirror and a small comb and a torch. The size of mirror and comb is almost same. Make sure the distance between the comb and mirror is 20 to 30. Now you can see the light of torch which strike the plane mirror is incident ray, and the ray of light which reflect from mirror is reflected ray. These are interchanging each other. So this was my project. I hope you understood what I want to say. Thank you so much.
Good morning, my name is Anshu Suttar. I am student of class 8B of Indigo Public School. My project is digestive system. The first part of the digestive system is mouth. Food is taken into the body through mouth. This process is known as ingestion. Our mouth and salivary gland which secrete saliva. When we chew food, saliva secretes from salivary gland and mixes with food. Food becomes moistened and bolus by mixing saliva as saliva starts digestion of food in the mouth and helps in swallowing food. Now the swallowed food passes through esophagus or food pipe. Food is pushed down by the movements of the walls of esophagus. Through esophagus, the food enters stomach. Stomach is a thick-walled bag. It secretes hydrochloric acid. The acid kills many bacteria that enters along with the food and also helps in the digestion of the food. The digestive juices are also secreted by glands. First gland is liver. Liver is a reddish brown gland and is the largest gland of the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac called gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fat. The second one is pancreas gland. The pancreas is the largest cream color gland located just below the stomach. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. The partly digested food from stomach now passes into the small intestine, where the intestinal juice completes the digestion of all components of the food. In the walls of small intestine, the digested food passes into the blood vessels in the of the body. This process is called absorption. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed then enters into the large intestine. Large intestine's function is to absorb salts and waters remain in the undigested food. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there a semi-solid feces. The waste is removed through the anus from time to time. This process is called ingestion. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Suhani Jangir. I am student of class 9th. Today I am here to show my homemade science project on Canon. Let me show you what things I have used. I have used an old marker pen to make basic cylindrical structure of Canon. My brother helped me by cutting its one end and making a small hole for the fuse, then sealed its another end. After that, for making gunpowder, I used matchsticks.
I simply just scratched its one end with plier to collect the powder that ignites quickly. To make the cannon stand, I have used 2 bottle caps and a thread roll, then stick them together with glue. Then I attach the cannon stand with marker. Now I used aluminium foil to make small balls, which is our cannonball. Then I filled the powder which we collected before inside the cannon tightly with small cotton. After that we put our cannonball inside the cannon. Now our cannon is ready to launch. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.
Good morning. I am Smith Ramath of class 12th of Indigo Public School. I have prepared a game called Beat the Buzzer, as game can also be a good source of education. In this game, we prove that metal are the good conductor of electricity and how it completes the electric circuit. In metal, there are free electrons which are free to move, which causes the electricity. So let's come to the game. In this game, there are metal wire which connected to the battery, and battery is connected to the key, and key is connected to the buzzer, which is further connected to this metal string which is free to move in this game. So we start from the one end of the game. This is free to move. We have to move this like this. If it touches 3 times or more than 3 times, the buzzer blown, and if the buzzer blown, then you are out. Then it is my small initiative to explain you with the help of a game. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, myself Gaurav Navria, student of class 12. Today I have made a module known as a windmill. It is smaller than the actual windmill because it is we cannot make it at it is generally placed at higher altitude where the speed of wind is higher. In this module we used several things like a battery which will allow it to flow to rotate. This is the DC motor, and this is voltmeter which shows the deflection when electricity is conducting. This is the indicating LED light which will show which will blow up when electricity is flowing, and this is the output. When we switch on the generator, it will start rotating, and when it starts rotating, the voltmeter will show deflection, and when it shows deflection, the light will blow up. The light will blow, it will we can understand that the electricity is flowing in it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Chaudhary of class 10.
And I am Mayank Rajput of class 12 Science Biology. Stand before you to explain our views on volcanic eruption.
Oh, what a wonderful project is this.
This is volcano.
Can you explain me about this?
Yes, a volcano is a mountain that has lava coming out from the magma chamber.
From what volcano are formed?
Volcanoes are formed by the tectonic plates.
What happens when they meet?
When they meet, one out of them goes under continental plate.
And what this process is known as?
This process is known as subduction.
What happens when they melt?
When they melt, they form magma inside the magma chamber.
Where did the world's biggest volcano is situated?
In Hawaii, the world's biggest volcano is situated.
When it erupts in the year?
It erupted 33 times in last 170 years.
Where did the latest volcano eruption occur?
Recently, it erupts in Indonesia. Would you explain me again in practical form?
Yes, I can try.
Then show me.
Thank you for watching us. I am Mukesh Chaudhary of class 12 Science Biology. Today we stand before you to express our views on windmill and solar panels.
And I am Dilip of class 12 standing before you to give my reviews on this windmill.
In this project, we see that on the school building some solar panels are placed. Firstly, we have to know that what is solar panels. Solar panels are the material which gain the electricity, which gain the sun's radiation and produce electricity. Solar panels are mostly used in Germany, Japan, US and now in India also. It has property of dispersion. We also have to know that what is the main benefit of solar panel. The main benefit of solar panels is that it losing the global warming and reduces our electricity bills.
In this model, one windmill is placed near house and it supplies electricity in the house. As we can see, it starts moving, it converts air's kinetic energy into electric energy and supplies in the house. It is mostly found in Netherlands, so Netherlands is called country of windmills. Thank you.
So here I am telling you how it's works. The outer structure is made up of cardboard and it is properly pasted and covered with a chart paper. I have placed a fan and a small DC motor in it. The fan is connected with a portable wire and an adapter in it. The window is making for ventilating air which is come from fan. Now when we switch on the fan, the electric air cooler runs very well.
Through the efforts made by all of our students, parents, teachers and staff members, this event was made possible. Thank you.